welcome back to this video for the Journey Ecom case study. So in this video we're just going to look at branding up all of the accounts, so the Facebook cover, Pinterest cover, YouTube channel art, all that kind of stuff. Obviously we've got, you could use Envato elements, and then also Envato elements and Photoshop, and do it that way. But I'm guessing quite a few people are going to be using, to be honest, Canva for the social media side of stuff is actually quite good. One thing you can do, if we just go, where is it? Facebook cover. There we go. So Facebook cover. So let's say, I mean, they've got animated ones as well. They've got some pretty good ones, to be fair. They're probably as good as the Envato ones. There's some fairly good ones on Envato. One of the other things we're going to need to do as well is put more space around the logo. So if we just get the, first of all, open the logo up. Logo with the white, or square white, that one. And we'll just increase the canvas size. If we go pixel, oh no, percent actually is probably the best. And if we just go 20, probably 20. Let's just control minus. That's probably going to be better. Let's undo that and then redo it. Yeah, there's quite a bit more space, but I think there needs to be a bit more space at the top. So we're going to go canvas size, and we're going to go again percent, and we're going to go height, and we're going to just add another 20 at the top. I think that's put there. Yeah, there you go. That's going to be much better. So I'm going to export that, and then we can make that the profile picture, the profile picture on most. I think that's going to fit much better. So we'll just call that new. And we'll go back to, say, Pinterest, and we will change that for the new, which I think is going to fit much better. We'll also do the same on Facebook as well while we're waiting. Yeah, there we go. Much better. Okay, go back. Did that save? Yeah, there we go. Much better. You can see that much better now. Same on Facebook. Yeah, you see how it's just much better position when you've got that extra space around. So we can save that. YouTube, we can change this in YouTube Studio. We don't need that. We just want to profile picture, upload, pet fern logo. There you go. You can see it just fits much better. We can publish that. So we've got that side of things sorted out. Obviously you do that on Instagram as well. I'm having trouble accessing the Instagram. On this, it would have to be done on. You could do it if you can get on, but I can't get onto that particular Instagram. The logo here is the only thing you'd need to change on Instagram anyway. If I just show you some of my other Instagrams, so the fitness code Instagram, it's only the logo that needs to be changed anyway. The rest is all pictures and whatever else. So yeah, you just want to change that on Instagram also to your logo. So if we go animals, I quite like this one, to be honest. I think we can probably get rid of that. Get rid of that and bring in upload. Oh. upload image from device, pet friends, logo. We'll probably go this one. And then we can use this as the base for all of our other ones, which would be our YouTube channel art as well. I think what I'd do, what I'll probably do is, if we can see, I'm not sure if you can. See, I want to sort of transparency. There we go. So we want to sort of bring the transparency down to make that stand out. Or maybe even just an effect would do it, to be honest. That's probably not too bad. And then maybe if we add some kind of effect. Oh. Yeah, they're way too crazy. Yeah, way too crazy. They're all just a little bit weird, to be honest, but we'll find something. Ah, these are not so bad. We just need a colour that. There we go. So that's not so that's pretty good. Quite like that. So we can download that and download as PNG, and we can make that the Facebook page cover, and then we can also tweak it to make it the pet friends. We'll go Facebook cover. Okay, and we'll edit that. No, wrong. Upload photo. Hopefully that fits well. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so then we can look to, now obviously we want to, let's see if we can find a Pinterest cover. Probably not. It might be a bit, let's try. No. But we do have the, well, the first thing we could do is YouTube channel art, hopefully with the same design. No, but let's try, because I think that would probably work quite well on the 2048 by 112. I'll see what we can do. Let's open that up and see what size that is. So it's 2050 by 780, and we need a 2048 by 1152. Okay, so let's let's go new, and we'll go YouTube channel cover. Okay, and we will see. So we can try and sort of take that over, C, V, and we can Control T and we can, I need to hit shift there so that it so we can spread it out. Hopefully, if we go out, we'll be able to get it over without having to do a great deal to it. Otherwise, we can just fill the background. Yeah, we're probably not going to be able to go any further than that. So what we'll probably have to do is if we go like that, and then we'll make a layer, which will be layer 2, and we'll take because don't forget this only really applies to YouTube on TV, which nobody really ever sees. So we can take our color, which is this one, copy that one, because we know that's one of our, just double check, it's definitely the same, yeah, okay. And then we'll click that layer, and we will fill foreground. We'll just put that on top, basically. And then what we can do is we can also mess around with the opacity of that a bit, and then we could add another layer as well, which is, oh excuse me, I did too many. We could add another sort of background one, which would be, let me think now, just want like a sort of nice this is the one that so Control and C, and if we take that over and Control and V, Control A, Control C, Control V, yeah, okay, so like I said, nobody's really ever going to see this. It's really just about sort of giving it it's just something you've got to do for YouTube. It's actually way too big as well. Quite like the way that looks. Obviously not that way. Yeah, that's the way we want it around. So that would be for YouTube. So if we just save that, export as, friends, YouTube channel art. Again, you can add all sorts of other things as this as well. You can look around at other people's, and you can make them however you want. You know, I'm just doing this as sort of, you know, just to show you exactly how you can go as experimental with this as you like, really. See, the other thing you need to remember, like as you can see here now, the logo is not viewable fully on mobile. So what you need to maybe do in this particular case is if you play around with it a little bit like this, yeah, and then save it again, export as. And if you just YouTube channel art 2, and then we can just we can upload that and see how it looks on different. See, that's much better because we know that it now looks good on all devices. So we'll go with that because nobody ever views it on TV anyway. It's either mobile or desktop, and I found that the vast majority is mobile traffic on YouTube. something over 85% of the traffic that I've been tracking for the channels that I've created have been over 85% mobile. So if we go here now, then we can see that that's how it looks. Now, obviously, you can play around with this, and you can have like arrows pointing down to when you go into the about, customize channel. You can, you've done your branding, your basic info. You can add your links. So you can add links to, say, like your Pinterest, your website, your Facebook page, your everything. And if you want some sort of example, basically, if you go and have a look at the YouTube account for if we say actually, for some reason it's not there, it's not showing, but look at the fitness code YouTube channel. In fact, I know how to fitness code if it does go to the fitness code one. So if we just have a look at, you can go down to the bottom of the fitness code page and accept the cookies, go to the YouTube channel, and you can just check out, like, you can see a little arrow there which goes to like the training program, the Instagram page, the Facebook page, Pinterest, and you can play around with them and just make them look more interesting. As I said, it's just an example on how you'd want to do it. Pinterest. Again, if you go back into Facebook, if we go Pinterest cover, okay, and we go back to try this one. Control A, Control C, Control V, and we'll bring that down. See how it looks. Yeah, it's gonna need some kind of background again. So if we go like this, get it quite central, and then again, if we just go another layer, we bring in Control A, Control C, bring that in, Control V, bring that on top, with that kind of thing. Again, you can get as creative as you want with this, or if you're not creative at all, hire someone, or spend more time on it than I'm spending just whilst making this really quick, simple. I'm trying to make it a really quick, simple video. You just play around with it, and then if we export as. And this is the Pinterest cover. Then if we add cover, upload from your computer, Pinterest cover, that's okay. That's totally fine. The other thing with Pinterest you want to do is you want to create some boards. So now here you might go, if it was something like pets, you might go dogs. You might even go breeds of dogs. So you might go I don't know, it's tricky. You might go Labradors. You might go, and then you can go and save quite a few to be honest. Save maybe 20 to 30 pins from other people's, like this. Then If we go back to the, so we've got that. If we go and create another board, so say, I don't know, kittens. So you keep, and then you keep doing that. You get yourself maybe 10 to 15 boards. Each board's got maybe 20 to 30 pins in before we start moving into the actual the actual social media posting, which I'm going to talk about in future videos. But we've got our YouTube channel. You know, looking semi-okay again. You can play around with this, the branding of this, and we will. I'm just this has just been what I'm doing on video for you right now. You've got the Facebook page looking okay. The Instagram will have the logo, the Pinterest will have the logo, and then obviously as we move forward, we're going to put the logo and everything else on the actual store, but that's for another video. So this was for the social account setup. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next.